what's your work about?
It's just like the robot here is like me, but like as a robot, and then like on the arm right there, there's like wires.
What is the arm?
What?
What is the arm? Like what kind of component is that? Like I see it's connected to something and
Oh, it's connected to a computer.
okay.
So like it's charging the computer.
Can you show us a close-up of the computer? Okay, so how did you make the computer part and your robot? I see that your robot has some kind of color. How did you make that part?
I printed out like the color. There's like the colored circles and patterns.
Okay.
I cut them out and pasted them on and turned them into something.
Okay, so what are you trying to say here in this work?
It's like, so the wires are connected to the computer to charge the computer, and it's controlling the computer by drawing on the computer.
So it's drawing, it's controlling the computer while drawing.
Yeah.
Okay, and what's next to the computer?
It's like a portal. I guess it's the portal from to the future.
Okay, interesting. Thank you. Amber, so tell us about your work.
The music box has turning wheels to connect to the piano.
The music box is connected to the piano, okay? I see you have a piano behind you. Are you drawing your own piano?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's sort of different.
Okay, so how is it different? And how did you make the music box?
The music box was like a box and then cut out papers in different shapes, pasted onto it.
Okay, so it's paper cut out, and then what did you cut? Like, what's the material that you cut out?
Printed paper.
Okay, so did you make your own paper? I mean, did you make your own design?
Yeah.
Okay, great. How about I see a little person.
That's the robot.
That's a robot playing the piano or just conducting?
It's like just adding on to the turning wheels.
Okay, so it looks like it's communicating with the turning wheels, like it's talking to it, right? And I like the color, it's very nice. How did you make the color?
I colored it with color pencil.
Okay, very beautiful. Very nice. Thank you, Amber. Good work. Catherine, what is your work about?
It's about me, like as a robot, and like my body is sort of like a TV, and it's showing everybody else about the news.
What news?
About the virus.
That's nice. So you told us that your father is the doctor, right? He should be a hero. That's why you really care about this topic, about the virus. So do you want, like him, you want to save the world too?
Yeah.
That's good. So what is I see a lot of masks flying around. Why do you draw those there?
To like tell people that you should wear your masks.
Okay, good. And why is the TV connected to a light bulb? Is that a light bulb or something else?
A light bulb.
Okay, what's the story between the robot and the light bulb?
It's just like, it means like you guys should come up with ideas on how to like prevent this from happening.
That's a great idea. And so you said you are actually a robot inside this, what's this rectangle?
This iPad.
This iPad, and why, and what's your thought about the background behind the iPad?
We want like clean air so we don't have to worry about it anymore.
That's great. That's very nice. So I think Catherine has become an angel to like an angel machine to warn everyone about the virus, and to tell us that one day we will have all this clean air. Okay, so good job. Thank you, Catherine. Okay, who wants to go next?
Hate this because like it's the future and the like robots are taking over the world.
That's unfortunate. So why do you make up that story? Like, why is the robot taking over the world?
Because like
So I see that, what are you trying to draw here? On the left, it is a human, it's you, wearing a mask, and on the right, it's a robot. So can you tell me more about this work?
so the robot is like getting controlled by like a person,
Okay.
and the robot is going into the person, so the person's transforming to a robot.
It seems like the person is being controlled by the robot.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Gina, what's your work about?
It's like a
Yeah, show us,
robot.
show us the drawing, please. Okay,
like-
so is that you?
Yeah.
Okay, what's happening?
So like I can, since I'm a robot, I can like bake and cook different things in my body,
Wow.
and I can also build a lot of stuff.
What did you build?
I built like 2 rocket ships, and one is flying.
That's very nice. So I see that both of them are very close to us. So if you want to show the rocket ship flying really far away, how can you make the rocket ship, like how can you change? What can you change to make the rocket ship look small, far away?
I can make it like right over there, some cutting off the paper.
It could either go off or it could be smaller, right? We talk about the objects or the shape smaller being further away, okay? So you can think about that. That's very nice. Thank you.
This is me. I'm trying to code my robot to like cook things for me. So I'm reading a book.
Where's the book? Can you get it a little closer? Ah, okay. And you are on the left, and then you're trying to get the what?
The robot to cook.
Oh, okay. So you have a robot servant to cook for you. Okay, great. Thank you. I like the drawing. It's very nice.